Today, Big Island Weekly brings to you the highlights of the second event from the 2008 BIIF High School Paddling Season.
Everything is awesome. Everything is awesome. Everything is alright. Everything is awesome. Everything is awesome. Everything is alright. Everything is awesome. Everything is awesome. Everything is alright. Everything is awesome. Everything is awesome. Everything is alright.
Sending good vibrations so you won't be blue. I hope the universe takes good care of you. You are so amazing and I so admire you. Your energy is so elating and I love to be around you. 'Cause everything will be alright. Everything will be okay. Okay. For you, so my music will hold you while harmonies explode inside of you.
Everything is awesome. Everything is awesome. Everything is alright. Everything is awesome. Everything is awesome. Everything is alright.
I know you'll be okay. Wake to a brand new day. Needless to say, I won't go away. Everything will be okay.
I'm thinking about your happiness every time I close my eyes. I'm thinking about carefree days laced with smiles of sunshine. Zoom out, see that everything was meant to be in the grand scheme. I'm thinking about our paths and how they sing in harmony. My mind sees you in purity. My soul sees your spirituality, eternally blessed in your essence, unwrapping presence in each other's presence. Everything is more than okay. Rejoice in our choice for a new day. Keep your head up, hang tight for a better life. Can't wait to reunite. It's just a matter of time for us to find peace of mind. Keep living your dreams, keep living your life, 'cause everything's gonna be alright.
Everything will be okay.
Everything is awesome. Everything is awesome. Everything is alright.
Turn you to the flame fire.
Everything is
Words of
awesome.
always the healing of the God. Put down all your weapons, I say, Selassie I. Bright is the light of the Trinity I sight. Blessed fruit of wisdom of Joey. Why, oh why? How can we deny the truth? Jah the Father and the future of the youth in our soul that is singing is the fruit. A living man, uplift foundation of the future. We coming straight from the lion's den. Selassie of the tribe of Judah said, heaven above only know Jah name. My man burned to return you to the flame fire. Chosen to ride in the sky inside. the Most High, and I enlighten those who have chosen to ride to the skies.